Assalamu alaikum. I want to share with all of you today one of my favorite DIY face masks. This face mask has 6 steps, and I can assure you if you follow all the steps that I'm telling you today, your face will glow this Eid, and everybody will be asking, what does she use? What product is she using these days? She looks gorgeous, I bet you. So keep watching and follow all these steps that I'm telling you today. It's a secret recipe. Do not tell anyone. So before starting any face mask, I like to put oil, whatever is easily available. I'm putting coconut oil, and I am going to apply that oil on my face upwards. Yes, coconut is one of my favorite oil. I use it almost every day. I did apply coconut water throughout my face, and now I'm going to take wet towel and I'm going to clean my skin. If you have any kind of makeup or any kind of dirt on your skin, this will take it off, and this towel will work as an exfoliator also. So now I know that my skin is all clean. First mask that I'm going to apply on my face is basin, almonds, and milk. I'm just going to apply it my hands. So basin and milk and almonds are going to work as an exfoliator, and it will take out all the dead skin and dry skin out from your face. I like to apply under my eyes since I do have a lot of dark circles. And always, whatever you're putting on your face, make sure you put on your neck, because a lot of people, they use a lot of treatments, creams on their face, and they ignore their neck. So this area always age before your face. So you need to really take care of this area, and when you have wrinkles or signs of aging around neck area, you can tell how old are you. No matter what you do with your skin, your neck can tell how well you are treating your skin. So I just washed off my milk, almond, and basin mask, and because of almond works as an exfoliator, so I can see my skin getting softer and smoother and a little bit brighter. So let's go to mask number 2. So second mask that I'm putting on my face is oatmeal, banana, and tomatoes. So banana is a great moisturizer. I have a very dry skin, so banana does all the healing, and oatmeal is going to exfoliate, and tomato is going to repair all my pigments or any kind of discoloration I have on my skin due to sun or dust. I washed and dried my face after second mask. So after this second mask, you can take a steam or just hot towel on your face like that. So after keeping 5 to 10 minutes hot towel on my face, I'm going to wipe it off, and it is going to take all my dead skin, all the impurities, all the excess built up under that first layer of your skin. सब चीज़ें बिल्कुल सही से साफ हो जाएंगी. So I made third mask out of strawberry, papaya, and yogurt, and it is going to take care of all my pigmentation and discoloration happen over the time. God, it smells so good. रोज़े में ये लगाने से ज़्यादा खाने को दिल चाह रहा है. We are going to have dual faida from this mask. One is, of course, it is going to take care of strawberries has a lot of vitamin C, so vitamin C जाएगी. Yogurt में calcium है, and then strawberry seed is going to exfoliate again. It will work as an exfoliator to our skin. These are all natural products. These are all fruits and vegetables. So we don't need to worry about कि कोई chemicals आँख में चले जाएंगे या कोई चीज़ खतरनाक होगी skin के लिए. But of course, some people can be allergic to anything. You just need to try and see which step made your skin more sensitive, and next time, of course, you can skip that step. Basically, my skin is not very sensitive, and I use all these natural home fruits and vegetables and make mask out of it, and I can tell that it does make a lot of difference. I'm going to wash my face and then move it to my next step. So after washing and scrubbing gently, my strawberry yogurt and papaya step, I'm moving to my next step. So make sure now your skin is very raw because you have put 2-3 different masks. So just be very gentle on your skin, whatever you put, because your dirt, your dead skin is all off. After cleaning, exfoliating my skin, now it's a time for skin tightening. And best skin tightening is egg whites and cucumber. Egg whites are used for skin tightening, and cucumber is used to soothe the skin. So this both will make your skin tight, take care of pigmentation, and as well as tighten the skin. So apply it on your neck, forehead, all the areas where think your skin is showing aging signs, some wrinkles. Now after skin tightening, it's time to heal the skin because your skin is all raw and sensitive at this time because of all those masks and exfoliating. Now I'm going to put raw honey on my face. Keep it for 5-10 minutes and then wash your face again. I just want to give you an additional tip. We put egg white and cucumber on our face, so I'm sure you are left with egg yolk. So what I did, I put egg yolk, olive oil, and yogurt, and I'm going to apply this mask on my head while I'm taking care of my skin. So this is just an additional tip for you. So now I'm about to take my last step for today's DIY mask is lemon water. Just squeeze 1 lemon and apply it on your face. It kind of tend to burn over here a little bit, so I avoided this area. I'm not putting over here. If you think you have some sensitive spot, avoid those. Keep this for a minute or two. Now that we have perfect baby skin, after my last step, just put any moisturizer or just any oil. I like to put coconut oil, so I start with coconut oil and I will end with coconut oil again. So I hope you liked it. Make sure you try all these steps this Eid and share it with friends and family. Take care. Bye.